This is the crankcase oil main engine fresh, and I have taken the used lube oil sample which is actually in use in main engine.
The following video is a part of the Achiever package. In case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like lube oil basic description, lube oil TBN testing, lube oil water in oil testing, lube oil spot test, etc., find the link of the Achiever package in the description box below.
Jai Mata Di. Every month we have to carry out lube oil testing of some important equipments like generator, lube oil for all three generators, main engine crankcase oil as well as turn tube oil. We do the analysis, like we carry out how much is the water content in them, then we check their TBN. Along with it, we have to check how is their viscosity. Now I have talked about water content, I have talked about TBN, I will be talking about viscosity right now. Now see guys, I have got two samples over here. This is I have taken from generator number 3. Now this is the used oil. You can see it is black in color, so you can make it out that it is the used oil. So we have taken out from generator 3, and this is a new oil, fresh oil. You can see the color, it is brownish in color, right? So what you have to do is, first thing, when you take out this oil from generator, the temperature will be around 50-55 degrees centigrade, so it is hot. So in that case, its viscosity decreases. So when you take out this sample, you have to take both these samples and put it at same temperature for say around 10 degree for 10 hours, 12 hours, so that both of them come at the same temperature. When they are at same temperature, so comparatively their viscosity will be also that can be compared at same temperature, right? So now that they are same temperature, what we do is we take 5 ml of this sample. I put this 5 ml sample in this fresh oil, it is written over here. Okay, and I take this 5 ml of used sample. Look, I take this 5 ml of used sample and I put it over here. Now please guys understand one thing, I have always said that viscosity is flow, restriction to flow actually. So now if I have got this new oil over here, I have got this fresh oil over here, and I got this used oil over here. So what I'll do is, I'll be slanting this, and both these oil will start flowing over here. Now, the moment this fresh oil reaches this checkpoint over here, this is the mark over here. At that moment, we have to see where this used oil has come. If it is in this range, that means the viscosity is okay. If it is outside this range, over here, that means viscosity is not okay. Now suppose the used oil is moving ahead of this checkpoint as compared to the fresh oil. This means your viscosity has reduced. And if the movement of this used oil is lesser than this checkpoint, that means the flow is restricting and its viscosity has increased. So first of all, let us see how is the viscosity of this oil, used oil, and then I'll tell you what can be the reasons. Jai Mata Di, let's start. Okay, now both the oils are flowing. I can show you guys. Look, this is the fresh oil, this is the used oil. Both of them are approximately flowing at the same speed. That means viscosity is okay. This is the checkpoint, this is where I am going to stop immediately. As soon as the fresh oil reaches over here, it has reached. Now see guys, when the fresh oil has reached over here, my lube oil, the used lube oil, is also approximately the same position. That means the viscosity of this used oil is very good. Now suppose if this oil would have reached up till over here, this would have mean that ye oil patla ho gaya, the viscosity is reduced. What can be the reason? Addition of diesel oil. If fuel pumps are leaking, diesel oil add ho gaya. One of the reasons. Viscosity has increased. One of the reasons can be for the viscosity to increase is if water is there in oil. Agar oil aa gaya or heavy fuel oil contamination has taken place in oil, then in that case viscosity of fuel oil is going to increase. So viscosity gives us a very good healthy idea about what is going on inside our engine as well. And understand one thing guys, viscosity is very important for proper lubrication, for hydrodynamic lubrication of our bearings. if viscosity is not good, our bearings can get damaged and we are going to compromise on our engine equipments. Jai Mata Di. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di, guys. We are going to carry out lube oil testing, that is viscosity for the lube oil today. So this is an equipment out here. I have taken 5 ml from this syringe, fresh new oil, and in comparison to this, this is the crankcase oil, main engine fresh, and I have taken the used lube oil sample, which is actually in use in main engine, and I have put it over here in used oil. Okay, copied, guys. Now what I do is, this equipment, just see very carefully, guys. What happens in viscosity? Suppose you take a very thin oil, maybe say petrol or kerosene, it flows very easily. And now when you take a very thick oil, say sarson ka tel, mustard oil, it flows, its viscosity is more, so it does not flow very easily. If you take sludge or heavy oil, it is more thicker, it will not flow at all. So what we do is, now understand one thing, on board ship, viscosity plays a very important role as far as lube oil is concerned. And more viscosity or less viscosity than required is very, very dangerous for lubrication. So what we do is, we have taken this fresh oil. What we do is, guys, see very carefully. This is the checkpoint over here. This is the checkpoint. This is the fresh oil. So the moment I slide it, this oil will start flowing over here. When the moment this oil comes over here, I will have to stop. And I'll have to see where this lube oil, which is used one, comes over here. If it is over behind this OK line up till this range, that means viscosity is okay, but viscosity has reduced. If it has extended further over here, that means viscosity is okay up till this point, but viscosity has reduced. Viscosity has reduced over here, and in this case viscosity has increased. Bhai, agar oil aapka thick ho gaya, it will not flow easily, so it will flow up till this point or this point. But if your viscosity has reduced, that means it has become thin, it will come up till this flow. So this is the range that is given. Agar is beech mein oil ka flow rahega, that means it is okay. Now let's start. Okay, so okay, I've started. Now see, fresh oil is coming slowly and used oil is coming fast. That means its viscosity is very less. Now let's see. Okay, now see, it has gone fast forward. That means the viscosity is very, very less for this oil. It has still not checked. That means this oil is no good.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, check out this playlist on the screen and find the link of the Achievers package in the description box below. Thank you.